Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK, Pilgrim Motorsports, and the sun is out, summer's coming, and what better car to have a look at than this absolutely stunning early Mustang. Absolutely beautiful in this metallic dark blue with painted silver metallic stripes. Absolutely beautiful. There's no lip here, they're not vinyl, it's actually been painted this way, so it really had an expensive body job done on it. But really it's a stunning car, this. If you're looking for something that is Restomod, this is the one for you. It's had lots of the Shelby extras put on, as you can see. Shelby front bumper down here, you can see with the scoop. The number plate, PWR Power, it's a great number plate, and that comes with it as well. So it's also got the Shelby fiberglass bonnet on it. You can tell the Shelby because it's got a split here. So, but again, really beautiful. It's got these bonnet releases as per the Shelby race cars as well. So, but as you can see, the paintwork is absolutely superb, and it goes down the side very straight. If we have a look at the wheels, what we've got here is we've got 225 17-inch American racing wheels in really great shape, and tucked behind there, if you can see it, is the Wilwood brake disc. Looks like about a 12-inch with a 4-pot caliper. Just really quality brake upgrade. The tyres, all pretty much brand new, which is great. And if you come down the side of the car, you'll notice these are the bullet style wing mirrors. Now these are beautiful. I can't help but play with them. They're just such a great looking thing. You adjust them from there, but these are an expensive extra, and this car has had everything spent on it that you may want to have put on. Again, as you can see, the colour is absolutely stunning all the way through. Shelby scoops, air intake, they don't actually work, they're just part of what making it look like a Shelby car. And then back through the side of it, again, look up the side, beautifully straight, all the panel fits great. And then we come onto the back of the car and you can see here it's got the Shelby duck scoop rear boot deck, and again the quality of the body work is, you can see that it's been painted here, goes into the bumper, and it actually runs down onto the GT valance. So it's really, so the quality of the paint here is just as good as on top. That's normally, we'll tell you, that's a quality paint job. You can also see on here GT valance, because it's got the rear exhaust popping out both sides along with the reversing lights. So just a stunning car. From any angle you look at this car, it looks absolutely beautiful. The colour obviously helps it because, well, it's outstanding, the colour. But beautifully down the side again. So obviously the side scoops, you've got the 225. One thing that they've got on here is you've got rear discs on this as well. So from a braking point of view, fantastic. Rear discs again. So you've got front discs, rear disc braking system, which is very good quality. Yeah, and then as you can see, the rest of the car, again, tyres are good. Just a real pretty looking car. What we'll do is we'll have a look underneath the bonnet now, shall we? It's quite a surprise under this bonnet. It really is. You may have guessed it's got the stickers underneath that says 5-litre high output, and that's what this is. Very lightweight fiberglass bonnet, Shelby, as we said. Have a look in here. Here we've got the 5-litre high output engine. Now this is fuel injected, would have come out of like a 1990s Mustang and been rebuilt, but it's been done real quality. If you can actually notice as well, when the whole engine was out, it's all been painted in body colour. So again, you can see how beautiful the wings are, but you can actually see how nice it is. So if you're going to use it for a bit of fun in a show car, and you undo this bonnet, it really does pop at you. Obviously it's had all in expensive intake put on. You've got MSD to help with the reliability and the power. This is a very fast car, this. You can see it's got upgraded struts on it. Huge servo in the corner. That's a massive servo to look after those brakes, those front and rear disc brakes. So it's got a lot going for this car. Whoever rebuilt this has done a superb job and really has spent a lot of money on it. You've got power steering on this car as well, which is great. So you've got power steering, power brakes, fuel injecting engine, so obviously the brake horsepower is going to be right up there. Reliability is going to be great. This car has also got a fitted 5-speed Tremec gearbox, so if you wanted to take it anywhere, you know, want to go down to Spain in it or whatever, it's a great car to take down because you really have got something here that's got all the mod cons on it without having to worry about being a classic engine. But it's a fabulous car. Now let's have a quick look inside the interior, where there's a few surprises as well. Right guys, here we're in the cockpit. Have a look at these front seats. They're absolutely gorgeous. They look brand spanking new, all done in a very soft sort of leather. It's got the head restraints, so it's got the Recaro style, and they're absolutely beautiful. Again, if you could see into this car, all the carpets are new, headlining's new, looks like dashboard is all new. We've all got obviously a different type of dash setup here. The gauges are a sort of upmarket one. You can see here you've got your manual transmission, and what is really rare on this particular car is they've spent the money and put a normal handbrake in. Normally, as many of you would know, handbrake's down here, it's a sort of pull sort of system, but they've actually put the proper handbrake in. So again, it's ease of usage. You could use this car on a daily basis quite comfortably, but it really is. All this has been painted, all the dashboard, all the top of the door, the doors as well, has all been painted correctly. All the door cards are good. There's no buckling, there's no dampness. The chrome is beautiful. Fabulous Sparco steering wheel on here, just absolutely great. It sort of goes with the style. But again, if you said to me, Paul, I love the car, but I want a wooden old style steering wheel, we'd put that on free of charge. If you wanted to change the wheels, we'd do that free of charge. I don't think you would, because it's such a stunning car, but really is beautiful. Got a nice Hurst shifter, lovely little sort of pull ball gear knob. Just stunning, absolutely stunning. The interior is like brand new. It really is a superb car, this. And you know, you've got stereo in here, you've got speakers already done, so truthfully it's just turn up and drive it away. It's that sort of car. Really is a stunner. What we will do is we'll try and get on the ramp, because I know a lot of you prefer to see the cars on the ramp. Our workshops are really double busy at the moment, and I'll speak to Martin and see if we can get it on a ramp and have a look underneath, and show you what else has underneath's been upgraded. But fabulous car, really worth coming to see. Hi guys, just looking underneath it now. This car's only just come in, so I apologise that it is a little bit dirty and a bit grubby. We haven't had a chance to go through it yet, but we wanted to get it advertised because we're running out of stock. So this has had a lot of upgrades, as we said before, and it's basically, I'm going to run through a few of the bits it's got on it. It's got anti-roll bar brackets here. It's obviously got the wheelwood discs, as I mentioned to you before, which is great for the stopping power. It's got a rack and pinion power steering, so it's a more modern power steering in it, so it gives you a good feel, you know, and again, an easy car to drive. Upgraded headers all the way through, stainless steel exhaust, as you can see coming through here. It's got H-bend in it as well to help flow. All the floors, as you can see, are in really good shape. Again, the chassis area is good, torque box is good. It's had an extension as well, a strengthener from both sides. You can see here to there, and again the other side where they run all the brake pipes, etc., etc. So really strengthened up the whole thing. The floors are really in great condition, really genuine all the way through. Yeah, looking good. Original pinch welds. Come to the back, we've got limited slip diff. So if we move this, you can see they're both moving at the same time. Upgraded prop, a more modern diff in the back, anti-roll bar at the back here again, new shock absorbers, all up inside, all rock solid all the way through. Petrol tank looks new as well. So once this is cleaned up, looking fabulous, it really is a fabulous car underneath, and it's had loads and loads of upgrades, making it just such a nice car to drive. Really solid on the road, and literally that 5-speed Tremec gearbox that's sitting up there, you'll do any speed you want to do. Obviously 70 miles an hour, of course, but this will do what you want it to do. So come and have a look at it, come and have a drive. You won't be disappointed. Well, this is something quite special with this car. I mean, not only does it look superb, it drives fabulously. Literally the gearbox is really tight. The T5 gearbox is absolutely stunning. So it's you can up and down the gears. You can drive it in third gear, pull away, because it's got the HO engine in it, the high output 5-litre fuel injected engine. It gives you that power through the whole range. But if you just want to drive along at normal speed, it's great. But put your foot down and we're away. Really away. bucket load of fun, this car, I can assure you. You're going to love driving this.